Hey YouTube, it's Sean. We're going to put a little bit of purple pinstriping on the Jeep today. We got it from China through the mail. May not be very good, but the idea is to do everything we can with this thing on the cheap. Alright, so this is what we got. It's a pretty good purple. We're going to lay it out on that black. I think it'll look pretty good. All right, we'll bring you back as we get some progress. I'm going to run one stripe and we'll see how it looks. We'll bring you back. All right, YouTube, we're getting it on there. We're getting some laid down. Originally, this had some pinstriping on it, but you know, it's a 1990 and with Oregon Jeep, so it's an Oregon rig, so everything gets messed up. But it's not a coast rig; it's inland, so there's no rust on it. Just the typical paint peel thing. So we did the black rattle can on it, and I didn't want to put a lot of money in it. It's got 248,000 miles on it, so runs like a top though. Just you don't want to, you know, go too far. You get too much in it, and then you feel all real obligated and sad when she croaks. We're doing her on the cheap. A lot of people do it a lot of different ways. The way I do it is I start in the middle. There's very little to no air bubbles with this stuff because it's thin. But if there are any, you can just push them to your door gap. And it just lays it down. And I didn't go through anything fancy. Scraping it, all that sand in it. This, like I said, this is just, I want to take this in the brush. I can't. It looks good from a distance, that's all I care about. That's working. Show you. We haven't cut our door, we haven't cut and folded yet, but that's looking pretty good. A little purple. Alright, we'll bring you back and we'll show you more. Alright YouTube, this is our progress so far. The purple on there, right down the old side. Put some down the side of the hood. Okay. And our next step is going to be, oh, we got it around the back. And we came right on, wrapped it right around to this is the side we started on, the passenger side. Went right on down to the front. So our next step though is, what we want to do is put some purple inside the door louvers. Put some purple in there. Excuse me. And when I may get some wide purple and do this instead of this. Just do that flat panel across there. I don't know exactly, but that's our starting point. All right. We'll bring you back when we do more.